Chapter 4, Exploring Magnets. Short notes, summary and keywords definition from grade 6, subject science, book curiosity. Introduction. Magnets have fascinated people since ancient times. Natural magnets like lodestones were used in early times. Now, artificial magnets are made from iron and other materials. Magnets are found in many daily objects, pencil boxes, toys, refrigerator doors, etc. 4.1 Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials attracted to a magnet, example iron, nickel, cobalt. Non-magnetic materials not attracted to a magnet, example wood, plastic, glass. You can test objects using a magnet to identify which are magnetic. 4.2 Poles of magnet. Each magnet has two poles, north and south. The magnetic force is strongest at the poles. If a magnet is broken, each piece becomes a new magnet with both poles. It is not possible to have a magnet with only one pole. 4.3 Finding directions. A freely suspended magnet always rests in the north-south direction. This property is used in navigation to find directions. More to know, magnetic compass. A magnetic compass contains a magnetic needle that points north-south. It is used by travelers, sailors, and in navigation. You can even make a simple compass using a magnetized needle, cork, and water. Next, 4.4 Attraction and repulsion between magnets. Like poles, north-north or south-south repel each other. Unlike poles, north-south attract each other. Only repulsion confirms that an object is a magnet, not just attraction. 4.5 Fun with magnets. Magnet games and experiments. Create a magnetic garland. Move steel balls in a pick up pins from water without touching them. Make toy cars with magnets that repel each other. Next, how to keep the magnets safe. Store magnets with unlike poles facing each other. Keep a wooden piece between magnets and soft iron strips at the ends. Avoid heating, dropping or hammering. Keeping near electronics like mobile phones or remotes. Key terms: magnetic materials attracted by magnets, non-magnetic materials not attracted by magnets, poles, ends of a magnet north and south, magnetic compass, tool to find directions using a magnet, attraction, repulsion, forces between poles of magnets. Next, summary. Magnets are objects that attract certain materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. They can be natural like lodestone or artificial and are found in many everyday items. Magnetic materials are those that get attracted to magnets, example iron, while non-magnetic materials do not, example plastic, wood. Every magnet has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. The force of attraction is strongest at the poles. You cannot isolate a single pole. Even if a magnet is broken, each piece will have both poles. A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in the north-south direction. This property is used in a device called the magnetic compass, which helps in finding directions. When two magnets are brought close to each other, like poles north-north or south-south repel each other, unlike poles north-south attract each other. Repulsion is a sure test to identify whether an object is a magnet. Magnets can work through non-magnetic materials like glass, wood, or plastic without touching the object directly. You can have fun with magnets through activities like magnetic mazes, picking objects from water using magnets, or creating magnet-powered toys. To keep magnets safe, they should be stored with opposite poles facing each other, separated with a wooden piece, covered at the end with soft iron, kept away from heat, dropping, and electronic gadgets. So friends, our notes and summary are complete. Now let's study the keywords definition. First, attraction. When one object pulls another object towards it, like a magnet pulling an iron nail, it is called attraction. Next, bar magnet. A straight shaped magnet with a north and south pole at its two ends. Third, magnetic compass. A small tool with a magnetic needle. that shows directions by pointing towards the north-south direction. Fourth, magnetic materials, materials that are attracted by a magnet such as iron, nickel and cobalt. Fifth, non-magnetic materials, materials that do not get attracted to magnets like wood, plastic and glass. Sixth, north pole of a magnet, the end of a magnet that points towards the earth's north when freely suspended. It is often marked with red or N. 7. Repulsion, when two like poles such as north-north or south-south push each other away, it is called repulsion. Eighth, ring magnet, a magnet shaped like a ring or circle. It also has a north and south pole. 9. South pole of a magnet, the end of a magnet that points towards the earth's south when freely suspended. It is often marked with S. 10. U-shaped magnet, a magnet that is bent into the shape of the letter U. The two ends are its poles. 11. Conclude, to reach a decision or understanding after observing something. Example, after the experiment we concluded that only iron is magnetic. 12. Construct, to build or make something using materials. Example, we can construct a simple magnetic compass at home. 13. Experiment, a test or activity done to learn or discover something new in science. 14. Explore, to look closely and learn more about something like exploring how magnets work. 15. Investigate, to examine carefully and find out details. Example, we investigated which materials are magnetic. 16. Observe, to watch carefully what is happening during an activity or experiment. 17. Predict, to make a guess about what might happen before doing an experiment. 18. Record, to write down your observations or results during an experiment. So friends, we have completed short notes, summary and keywords definition from chapter 4, Exploring Magnets. We have already studied the question answers of this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.